Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new guide video. Today, let's take a look at the way that you fix the YouTube monetization review problem. If you're having issues monetizing your YouTube channel, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can do is immediately check your email to see if there are any rejections being received. Any issue that you face on your YouTube channel will be immediately signaled via your email address. Also, you can head over to the monetization or earn section inside of your YouTube studios, and in this section as well, you'll be able to exactly know what the issue is. For example, let's say you're facing an issue with the video that you uploaded has a copyright strike, or if the video is not compliant, then unfortunately you'll need to remove the video from your YouTube channel. Only then you will be able to proceed further on and will be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So you'll know the exact reason what you're facing right inside of the earn section inside of your YouTube Studios app. If you did receive a copyright strike, then you are able to report it if you think that the videos that you uploaded are not copyrighted. So by doing these few steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube monetization review problem.